Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Conrad ke Sangma Baderu Chairman jong ke MDA ulai thu ba ka dega kamram jong u ban pet ba ki AKA ki jingbam yasno thu jingmut kenya penbet kidon kimat ki badai bat ki wei kitanat ki ba amdei hapo ka jingpet ka jong u hendai kom u khli u hab ban ba khli ulong ru ba shem lapet yala dia kom Menteri Rangba jong ke NPP hendai kom Menteri Rangba jong ke MDA bat u chairman ke MDA Ulang Baroh ki Ïatreilang kidai ka benta bat ki ki baja Hapoh ka sarkar ushem ka jingkit khli ulaya thuru Baroh ki Dkhot Hapoh ka MDA ki Ïatreilang Ryngkat kom ka Kynhun.
I have no issues with that. As the chairman of the MDA, I always say that I take full responsibility, and it is my responsibility at the end of the day to always ensure that whatever problems are there, we resolve it. So it may not be some issue that's directly under the departments that I am handling, but as the head of the government, I am responsible for all that happens, and therefore I don't see any problem in it ultimately coming to Conrad. I mean, I don't look at myself as a NPP chief minister here. I'm the chief minister of the MDA government, and I'm the chairman of the MDA government. And every coalition partner that is there is part of my coalition. So therefore, whatever happens in my government, it is my duty to ensure that I take full responsibility for it. And I'm happy to say that my colleagues and my cabinet colleagues especially, they work very closely with me. And when challenges come, which always do come, we always work as a team. So I don't see any problem in that. And in regards to maybe in some individuals may say few statements here and there, that happens because in a 6-party coalition, 7-party coalition, independents together, it's natural for different divergent views to come in, but that's fine as long as in the larger picture we all know that we have to work with understanding, and sometimes differences may occur, but we need to resolve them in an amicable manner.